Hi guys, Miss Singh here. Apologies for the crying child. My children are home with me. So this is how you get to our discussion boards in eClass. So assuming you've already logged in your eClass through your portal, you are going to go up to your waffle, go down to 2020 semester 2, Sing Diana Language Arts. That's me. Click there. Now we're on our homepage. So far I haven't posted any of the assignments. If I did, they would be the first thing up here. But let's pretend that you were just trying to figure out how to sign in the discussion board for attendance purposes. So if you go to activities, you're going to click discussions. Okay, here we are. Go down. Remember we did Digital Learning Day practice. That's not this, because this is not practice. The module is titled Digital Learning Attendance 316 to 320. So I'm going to make a discussion board for each week if for some reason we're out for more weeks than just next week. If you look here at the topic, it is labeled by the day. So let's pretend it's Monday the 16th. You're going to click the day. And there's always going to be a prompt. So tomorrow's prompt is, how are you? Do you feel confident with digital learning? So in order to get credit for this, you are going to have to post first. See, the instructions here say must post first. So you're going to start a new thread. The subject is going to be your name. So my name is Carolina Singh. I'm Carolina Singh, nobody else's. Make sure you're putting your name in the subject. And then you're going to answer the question. So how are you? I am a little overwhelmed with all of the news. I feel confident about Digital Learning Day. Okay? Make sure that you've clicked, subscribe to this thread. Because that means that you'll get the comments from your peers and from Miss Singh. And then you're going to click post. Okay? So if you look down under the thread, Monday 316, right? To confirm that you've posted, you'll see your name, because that's the subject, right? And then you'll see your response. So once you click on your name, your post will come up, and that shows me that you have definitely been here. So you'll be counted present for the day, and you have completed the task. So that is how you do attendance in the discussion board. Again, you go to activities, discussions. You're going to go down to Digital Learning Attendance 316 to 320 and click on the day and do your post. If you have any other questions, please reach out. And that's that.